Hey guys, welcome to Matter J. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing, liking, comment, and click that notification bell for the next video. Hey, this is just a random video. The things that just happen every time, just it was happening like every day. And I said, you know what, let me just go and record it. And I just have a collection of clips of things just happening in the neighborhood where I stay at. Keep in mind, this is one building. I'm on the fourth floor, so whenever something happens, disregard that person. This is just my neighborhood because this is not happening now. But I'm gonna kind of explain each little clip I have of what's happening in my neighborhood. And this may be normal, but it's just not what I was used to in other cities I've stayed in Latin America. So here we go. Now, here's the first one. This guy, I guess he sells sandwiches, and he has a bullhorn on top of his car. So it's pretty loud, and he hollering. Obviously, he's speaking Spanish. I only can understand a couple of things. So he seemed to be talking to a certain customer because it seemed like at this address here, I'm assuming he's selling sandwiches, but whatever he's selling is inside of a foil. And he stopped, and his customer comes out and pay for it, and he gets out and pull the stuff out his styrofoam container and sells it to him. Now this one is right here is almost like a just music. This guy just came out of nowhere, and this happens a lot. I mean, I don't know why they seem to stop here, because they don't just get in their car and go to the other end of the block and do the same thing. They seem to just stop here and just entertain. I mean, no one comes out, so I'm not sure if they trying to collect money. I'm not sure what they're doing, but they just come out and just start entertaining, and it's just really strange, and it doesn't seem to be annoying anyone because no one comes out and just like, who is this? It just listen. Now, this particular guy, now this one, I think these are just trash collectors or collect recyclables. They go into these trash bags that we put out on the street, and I think they get the bags out of it, I think. Now, this one right here is, he's selling fruit. The only problem, they're selling the same thing, either bananas, papayas, avocado, and sometimes lime, excuse me. This guy just got out. There's a mixer in the back of his car. This guy has a wireless mic, and he's walking away from obviously the mixer, which is in the back of his car, and he is going to sing. I think he almost played like 4 of his songs off the album. Let me quietly let you hear it. Again, they seem to just come in this neighborhood. Now this is nothing. It's just rain, but I thought it was so nice. I decided to add it into this mix because it was just different for me to be on the 4th floor, the only kind of tall building on that street, at least in that area, and just to see that heavy rain. And it was just so, it felt actually good. As they say in Colombia, it was so tranquilo. It was so calm and just, it was really nice. So listen to it. There you go again. I mean, this was actually a different day. I mean, the guy comes out. I mean, it looked like the same video, but it's almost the same thing. It's just, again, he knows his customers. I mean, I guess he may have 12, aluminum foil wrap something, whatever it is, sandwich or whatever. And he comes. I mean, again, there's no certain time. I can't remember if this was the same time every day. I mean, it just seemed whenever I'm there, because obviously I do shoot videos other places. It just seemed to happen. So, this guy got to be almost 70 years old. Think about a 70-year-old newspaper boy, a newspaper man. I mean, this guy's old, but he's on a bicycle giving us a newspaper. And listen, they do these, I guess they're giving out flyers. So in addition to flyers, they got this loud music on the back of this vehicle. Why they give out flyers? Now that's the first plant guy selling flowers. Now this is my favorite. This is Mazamora. This guy, Mazamora, listen to him. He's got a great voice. I don't know, what he's selling is corn, basically corn and something. That just doesn't seem like I want to taste. And here's another one selling the same thing, but she's not as seem like musically talented as that guy. I like his voice. There you go again. Listen to it. Some days you get a mixture of both of them. You know what I mean? The papaya guy and the Mazamora guy, and sometimes it's a mix. Now this guy playing the violin. I mean, I hope that I can get this music recorded because I don't know if this is a copyright or not. But this guy, Despacito, I can't think of the name, but the big mega hit from a Puerto Rican singer. But he's playing it with the violin, and this is the first time I actually see somebody give a donation to someone. So at least that's what he was doing. There's one guy I didn't record like the second day. I moved, I was staying there, and he almost recorded. He almost sung a whole album on the top of his car. At least 4 songs. It seemed like 10, but it was 4 songs. This is just nighttime. It's cloudy, it's thundering, it's lightning. I don't know if we can catch the lightning, but it's actually just beautiful. I don't know if you can really see it, so decided to share it with you. Also, this guy's selling popcorn. Now, I wish I was at the bottom to catch that. He got like a real fire and popcorn. So that's just like some old-fashioned way of making popcorn right there. Again, that's just night is about to storm. Lightning, thunder. It's raining actually. I don't know. It was cool, nice little cool breeze. and it just felt good and it looks beautiful out there. So decided to share it. So anyway, I don't really have a lot more of these, but again, if this is something that happens in every Latin American, it didn't happen in the three neighborhoods I stayed in before, Mexico City, Quito, and Bogota. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Click that notification bell.